For this nail art, all we need to use is acrylic paint, brush, water, and top coat. I'm just spraying on some water on my brush and dipping it on the white acrylic paint so that the consistency will be more smooth and watery. I'm gonna put it on my palette, but I'm gonna spray it first with water. There, I'm adding more water so that it will be more smooth. There, mix until you achieve this kind of consistency. And then we're ready to put it on the nail. Since we added water on it, it kinda looks transparent, but this is just the first layer. We'll add more layers later so that it'll be opaque. So I decided to use acrylics for my nails because during the quarantine I wanted to paint my nails, but unfortunately I ran out of nail polish. So now I'll do an experiment. I'll use the acrylic paint as a nail polish. Well, just a French tip for now. It's really streaky because the paint is very watery, but it's okay since we're gonna add a second layer later. There, so I accidentally, what do you call that? I'm just pushing the paint because acrylic is very easy to remove, so you don't need anything, you just need water, or you can just rub it off just like I did. So now we're on the second layer, and as you can see, it's starting to be opaque. Oops. Another oopsie. So I'm just pushing up the oopsie. Just painting it, the second layer. And finally, we're on the last one. There are excess paint. I'm just gonna remove it using my nail. It's really easy to remove. It doesn't stick so well on my skin, so I don't need water to remove it. There. And then we're done. We're just gonna top it using the fast dry top coat by Caronia, and we're good. Yay! Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!